How to work in Canada. Working in Canada as a foreign national requires careful planning and adherence to Canadian immigration and employment regulations. The process can vary depending on your qualifications, the type of work you intend to do, and your personal circumstances. Here are the general steps to help you work in Canada. Determine your eligibility. Research the different types of work permits available in Canada and find out which one is appropriate for your situation. Common types include temporary work permit for individuals who want to work in Canada temporarily. Express entry system for skilled workers who want to become permanent residents. Provincial nominee program. Some provinces have their own immigration programs. Check if you qualify based on your skills, work experience, and other factors. Find a job. Look for a job in Canada. You can use job search websites, professional networks, or contact Canadian employers directly. Secure a job offer from a Canadian employer. In some cases, you may need a labor market impact assessment from your employer to prove there are no qualified Canadians available for the job. Apply for a work permit. Depending on your situation, you may need to apply for a work permit before entering Canada or upon arrival. Follow the specific instructions on the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada website for your type of work permit. Pay the required application fee and provide all necessary documentation, including your job offer letter, passport, and proof of funds to support yourself in Canada. Biometrics and medical examination. Some applicants may need to provide biometrics and undergo a medical examination, depending on their country of origin and the nature of their work. Wait for processing. The processing time for work permits can vary depending on your country of residence and the type of work permit. Check the IRCC website for current processing times. Arrive in Canada. Once your work permit is approved, you can travel to Canada and begin your employment. Comply with Canadian regulations. Ensure that you adhere to all Canadian laws and regulations while working in Canada. Keep your work permit valid and up to date, and follow any conditions specified on it. Consider permanent residency. If you plan to become a permanent resident of Canada, explore options like express entry, provincial nominee programs, or family sponsorship. Renew or extend your work permit. If you want to continue working in Canada after your initial work permit expires, apply for a renewal or extension before it expires. Plan for taxes and benefits. Understand your tax obligations in Canada, including filing income tax returns. Explore available benefits and social services you may be eligible for as a worker in Canada. It's crucial to stay informed about the latest immigration policies and procedures, as they may change over time. Consulting with an immigration lawyer or a qualified consultant can also be helpful in navigating the Canadian immigration system successfully.